this is BOISTEANU, and just now we're gonna unbox professional multifunctional cantilever bracket. So as you can see, it's multifunctional cantilever bracket. So basically this bracket I'm gonna use for recording unboxing videos of on top, so overhead recording. So it's really important to have this bracket in your YouTube setup. Right, so let's see what's going on. Okay, cool. So let's see what we have here. Oh. So as you can see, we have the holder. So we have the holder. So basically this holder we're gonna install on the table. It seems to be high quality actually. Yeah, that's brilliant. Now this one. Okay, it's for the bracket itself. Okay, cool. As you can see, it's moving part inside in order to hold the bracket. So this will be installed on the table. Cool. Okay, I can see something here. So basically this, we're gonna install we're gonna install, I think, here in order to protect the table from scratches. Yeah, cool. Okay, we have another thing here. So this, I think, will be installed to hold the camera. Yeah. Seems to be high quality, believe it or not. Okay, that's cool. So we have the instructions here. Okay, with all steps, that's cool. And as you can see, we have a universal holder here. We have a universal holder. Yeah, that's brilliant. Cool. And we have the bracket. So we have the bracket. And this is the bracket, guys. Very interesting. Very interesting. So I'm gonna create another movie in order to show how to install this bracket. Seems to be very... Yeah, seems to be okay, to be honest. Okay. Yeah, cool. So this is the bracket. Cool. Yeah, so basically we have everything. So the installation, I think, is very simple. We have 4 steps. So to fix on the table, and after to install the bracket, and after to install the head of the bracket, and after to adjust the bracket. Yeah, everything seems to be in place for us. Cool. Perfect. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and comment my videos, and see you next time. Bye bye.